Silva shareholder here, and I want to speak with everyone about the impact the major dealers are having on the secondary market. I'm sure most of you have noticed that it seems to be the major dealers have entered the secondary market. I'm not sure exactly when that occurred. I've been dealing with eBay and some other places for a few years now, and it seems like when I first started, they weren't a presence. And more recently, I've seen them to be a strong presence. At first, I saw some smaller dealers, I guess maybe coin shops and more kind of private dealers. And you might get a business card or something, with your order. Or you might see somebody that had quite a bit of sales, a lot of feedback or a lot of transactions. And since then, I've seen the major dealers move into the eBay market, and they've got a strong presence on the secondary market. They're actually competing with themselves, which is an interesting strategy. So they must recognize the size of the market and the potential there, and it's really competitive. And so now, not only is it really competitive amongst the flippers and resellers and small time collectors, small time dealers. But now those same people also are not only competing with each other, but they're competing with the major online dealers who are competing with themselves and their own websites. So it's pretty interesting, and I don't know that it's good for the seller. I don't think it's good for the flipper, but it's definitely good for the buyer. So, for all of us stackers and anybody who's purchasing products, it's really opened up a lot of competition and created a lot of opportunities. So when I'm shopping around, sometimes I find that the major dealers have the best prices on eBay or on the secondary market. I thought about all this a lot when I recently purchased this. It's really nice. I've seen some of you had this in your videos, and I wanted one, but the price on their site was a bit high for me, and I found this on their eBay site. So again, they were competing with themselves, and I got what I think is a good deal on it. And so just kind of interesting. And then if I want to resell this, so say I go to list it on the site, that means not only am I competing with any of you that might be selling one of these, but I'm competing directly with the manufacturer. Where it used to be the manufacturers dealt mostly in larger orders, and they weren't a presence on the secondary market, which created the opportunity for someone like myself to purchase, a sizable amount of something like this and then resell them on the secondary market at a profit. Now the profit margin is very slim, if there is any profit margin. So I've been selling quite a bit of stuff, and the margin's really slim once you figure in the shipping costs and the auction fees and things like that. So they've taken what might have been a slim margin before and narrowed it down even further, which makes me question why some of these dealers are on the secondary market. And I also think some of them have probably worked deals where they get a lower percentage fee. So I'm thinking they're getting preferential treatment and probably aren't paying the same fees as your retail level seller, such as myself. I've also noticed one of them, and this is one thing that does bother me about it. One of them seems to have like a strong presence on there, and they list themselves as the manufacturer of all the products they sell. Not only is that, incorrect, in this case, they're not the manufacturer of all the things that they're selling, but it also somehow is some kind of like an automatic listing feature. So there's been a couple times where I've tried to list something and it shows all their information in the description. So they have some kind of a, I don't know, copyright or some kind of a thing with that auction site where it automatically enters them as the manufacturer. And it's incorrect, so it could cause me problems if you get somebody who's picky and says, it wasn't made by them or it's not their product or whatever. So, yeah, just something I'm sure some of you've noticed when you check the description. Some of these things they'll show like a Canadian maple leaf or something, and then they'll show their company as the original manufacturer. So it's not correct. I mean, for me, it's not a big deal, but it's more of an annoyance. Um, but yeah, I just, thought I wanted to get your feedback on all of this. And then I've got a couple packages here again that I got the same way, directly. This one is, I guess, a coin dealer, but directly from the dealer on their eBay site. And I think I got a better deal than I would buying them from a bullion company. So a couple packages here that I'm going to open up real quick. And pretty excited about these. Like I said, I've been trying to sell some stuff. I've been buying some stuff, so let's see what we got here. So just got this, and I think I know which one this is going to be. So they sent these in two separate packages, and this is the Year of the Snake. I think this is a proof. Nice little coin. I got what I think is a pretty good deal on this, but it's a bit hard to tell because the price of gold has been tanking. So I don't do much gold, and I've been watching it for quite a while. So I know, this would have been a good deal. Right now, I think it's, probably a fair deal. It seems like a really good deal to me, but that's, because gold has gone from, say, 2000 or 1900 down to, 1300 or whatever it is right now. But nice coin. I figured the Year of the Snake is over. So, not sure, I'm thinking that should gain some kind of a premium, hopefully. They probably turned out a ton of these things, so I don't know how much premium it'll actually gain, but nice coin. I don't do much gold, so I'm getting into it a little bit. And just thought I'd share that one with you. We got another one here, same company. They got fast shipping. I got free shipping on this, so that's always nice. And again, instead of buying directly from their site, I went and bought these on the secondary market from the same company. So it's just kind of interesting. And then some things I've been sitting on and wanting to sell. I've got the 2013 Britannias, and I haven't seen the 2014 come out yet. So I'm waiting to see the 2014. But right now, these same companies are unloading the 2013 really cheap. So the 2013 Britannia that I'm sitting on and the 2013 Pandas that I'm sitting on, they're not worth much right now. These companies, these online dealers are selling them on the secondary market at really reasonable prices, and they're turning them out, so it's taking any meat out of it for a reseller. I got these. I don't know if you guys have seen these, but I really like them. It's just generic, but they're these are like Indian arrowheads, and really cool. I like these. I haven't seen anybody with these in the videos yet, so wanted to show these to you. Kind of unique. Really like them. I might pick up some more. I'm not sure who's minting these, so I'd like to know so I could check prices and stuff, but really pretty cool. Little arrowhead design with an Indian on it. And I got a few of those. I got, I think, 4 of them. Yeah, 4 of those. And then here, yeah, I got the Year of the Snake in silver. And again, I thought, right now they're turning these things out. Oh, and this is the Year of the Snake. I saw some people with these in the videos and thought they looked amazing. So it's the end of the run here for the Year of the Snake. They're turning them out at a good price, so I went ahead and picked one up and really like it. I mean, this is an impressive coin. I saw when everybody was first getting these, and I really wanted one, but I held off a little while, and glad I finally have one. Probably hold on to that. And I got a few more things coming. I'll be showing you some more videos here, but just trying to see what you think as far as the flipping thing goes when you're flipping and competing with, major companies that have a reputation. I mean, I buy from these companies, and it's kind of made it competitive, and some of them even have older products. So while they're mostly turning out, the current stuff, sometimes they get pretty good pricing on some of the older items too. Like I know they do like, the older kookaburras and stuff, and So they kind of put a cap, especially with the amount of product that they carry. They kind of put a cap on the premiums and what people are actually able to get for their products on the secondary market. And just kind of wanted to get your opinion and see what you think. Is it a good thing or a bad thing, and where's it going to go from here? So thanks for watching, and please leave your comments.